When finding constraints, it's easiest to take it a step at a time. So notice with our problem here, we've got that small balloons cost 95 cents each and large balloons cost $1.45 each. So we want X to represent the number of small balloons, Y represent the number of large balloons. So now here's where our constraints come in. So Shelby has $15 to spend on balloons, but she can't go over that. So I'm going to make my constraint 0.95x, because that's my small balloons, plus 1.45y for my large balloons, has to be less than or equal to 15. So she can hit right on $15, but she can't go over $15. So it's got to be less than or equal to. Next up, she needs at least 3 large balloons. Well, my large balloons are y, and she can have more than or equal to 3. So we'll have y is greater than or equal to 3. And then we have one last constraint here. So our last constraint will be dealing with x, so our number of small balloons. Well, it doesn't say how many she has to have or needs, so I'm just going to put the x has to be greater than or equal to 0 because you can't have a negative number of balloons. So I hope that this helps you guys with constraints. If you have any questions on them, please let me know.